Now, your latest headlines and 7 First Alert forecast from 7 Action News. Sponsored by Henry Ford Health System. All for you.
Hello, I'm Glenda Lewis, and here are your headlines from 7 Action News. Central Michigan University is investigating hateful graffiti and a death threat against a transgender student. The trouble started last month with a vile message scrawled on the dorm of 20-year-old Jace Parker. He took to Facebook after the university failed to publicly address the issue. A threat was then found among messages of support. CMU says its initial silence was the result of miscommunication, and it stands with the transgender community. A husband and wife are accused of being partners in crime that terrorized 2 teenagers. Jonathan and Robin Doney are charged with a home invasion in Roseville. Police say 2 girls there at the time were locked in the bathroom. The couple allegedly ransacked the house and stole electronics. We're told the suspects knew the homeowner and were later arrested in Flint. And President Donald Trump plans to meet with incoming governors Thursday, including Michigan Democrat Gretchen Whitmer. Her office says the White House visit will help make sure Michigan has a voice at the table to find common ground on issues that are important to our future. Here's Chief Meteorologist Dave Rexroth now with a check of your 7 First Alert forecast.
A little chilly on Tuesday morning. Temperatures will feel like the teens. Wind chill factor there. A peak of sunshine, not much, but a peak gets us back to 34. Could get a little snow in here toward the end of the day Wednesday. A quick burst perhaps even during the rush hour. Have to watch that for you as we get closer. And then it warms up low 40s Thursday through Sunday. Chance of rain and maybe a little snow mixed in on Friday. Better chances of rain on Saturday. It's kind of sloppy, but at least it's warmer.
All right, Dave. Well, the holidays merry and bright for dozens of kids chosen to shop with a hero in Warren. The city and Meyer teamed up to help make dreams come true. More than 70 children went on a shopping spree at 2 stores with police officers serving as their personal helpers. Families also treated to a dinner party thanks to Chicken Shack, Jimmy John's, and Passport Pizza. 'Tis the season. Those are your headlines. Remember to go to WXYZ.com and our app for news anytime. Hope you have a great day.
These have been your latest headlines and 7 First Alert forecast from 7 Action News. Sponsored by Henry Ford Health System. All for you.